Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this UPSC CSAT complete lecture series. Today, what we are going to do? We will do a revision session of average topic. Okay, we know that we have done two lectures in average. Okay, in Tuesday lecture, in Thursday lecture, we have discussed about that what is average and how to solve the questions based on that topic. Okay, today what we will do? We will do a quick revision of that topic. Okay, and as well as we will discuss some questions based on this one, especially that PYQs, and we will see how to attempt those questions. Okay, and what is the pattern they are following, we will understand that one also. Okay, so let's first do that exercise, that theory portion. Like, what is average? What we have discussed till now. Average means we can say this is the mean. Okay, mean, or you can say equality, equal values, right? Like if I say there is a three person A, B and C, they have rupee like 100, this has B has 80 rupee and C has 90 rupee. Okay, so we have to make equal for all. If I think our task is to make equal money to all, so what we will do here, we will do like just add all numbers, all values and divide by 3. Okay, what we will do here is, what we are doing here is, we are just adding all values, all monies and divided by 3. Why 3? Because there are 3 people A, B and C, that's why we have divided by 3. So we will get how much? 270, and that is divided by 3, so it will be 90. So that means 90 is our average value, our equal value, our mean value. Okay, so here it is 90. So what we will do here, we will donate 10 rupee to B, so it will be 90 and this will be also 90. Now all have the same money, 90, 90 and 90. Okay, so basically what will be the formula from this one, from this task we can understood that average means sum of all observation. Okay, sum of all observation, and then we will divide by total number of that observation, total number of that observation. Is it clear? If we have gone through those lectures, previous lectures about that average topic, then that's good. If not, then please go through the topics. Okay, it will be more clear. It will be more clear than for you. Okay, and here what we are going to do, only quick revision. We are not going in deep, just a quick revision. Okay, so this is our basic formula. Like average is equal to sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Okay, then there are some conditions of observation. Let's see what are these conditions, those conditions. Like we have discussed, like just suppose they have 100 rupee, or say average weight. Okay, not 100 weight will be larger, so let's say 60 kg is average weight of few person. I'm not giving how many person, just saying 60 kg is the average weight of a group. Let's see, UPSC aspirant group is 60 kg, their average weight is 60 kg. Now if I say, if one person is leaving that group, if one person is leaving that group, okay, his or she is leaving that group, and let's say his age, his weight or her weight is 60 plus, more than average of this value. Okay, this is average value. Okay, this is the average value of that group, and if that person who is leaving, his or her weight is 60 plus, in that case new average will be, say what will happen, it will more than 60 or less than 60. If this person has weight 60 plus, then new average will decrease. Just note it down, new average will decrease, because why? Because this weight is more than average value, that's why it will decrease. And if it is 60 minus, means less than 60, less than average, then what will happen? That means a lighter person is leaving that group. In that case, new average will be larger. New average will be increase, right? It will more than 60. Obviously, if less than 60, let's say 40, not 40, let's say 50 kg person is leaving that group, obviously that group average will increase, right? So here we have given that condition of one person leaving, and if I say one person is getting added, one person is joining that group, okay, in that case it will be just reverse. Like if I say that his or her weight is 60 plus, in that case what will happen? That new average will increase. New average will increase. Why? Because his weight is more than 60, and earlier that average was 60 kg. Then obviously this that average, new average will be increases. And if the new person who is joining, his weight is less than 60, let's say less than 60, in that case new average will decrease. Okay, so these are our 4 conditions. You can just note it down, and it will help you in solving MCQs. Many type of MCQs are there. You can solve many statements, you can eliminate the options. It can be a possibility. So just note it down. Okay, so this is the basic concept of average. Okay, now I'm just giving you a few formulas, and we will discuss then questions. Like formulas means what? Basically formula means from number system. Okay, so I have told you that here is, I'm writing in short form, like average is equal to sum divided by number. Okay, and which type of question they are asking? Like average of numbers, average age, average weight, average contribution, like money, right? Then what? Okay, this type of question. So in every question you can solve with the same formula, like average is equal to sum divided by number, total number of that observation. But in this type of question, that in number system, there is a specific questions, like they will ask like average of 4 consecutive counting numbers, or they will not say counting number, they will say natural numbers. You know what is natural number? Natural number means counting numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4. These are natural numbers. So they are asking average of 4 consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive means back to back. Okay, so I'm just giving you from the chapter, I'm giving you the formula from the chapter AP, arithmetic progression. Right now we are not discussing about that arithmetic progression. We will discuss it in later videos. So here the formula is sum is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. This is our formula. Just note it down, n plus 1 by 2. Okay, now see here, like average is equal to sum divided by number, so we will write average is equal to sum, this one, and n plus 1 by 2, and divided by what? Total number. If they are asking about 4 consecutive numbers, so it will be, right now I'm just writing the formula, so it will be n, so n will be cancelled out, so n plus 1 divided by 2 will be our general formula for this one, average of n consecutive natural number, not 4 for n. But if they are asking about 4, just replace by it. It is 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is our answer, 2.5. Okay, for 4 numbers it will be 2.5. Just add this one, like 4 plus 1, 5. 5 and 5, 10. So it will be 10 by 4. So it is 2.5. See, both answer is same, right? So here sometimes you can do a direct formula, or sometimes you can do that work, that addition work. If it is given like sum of 15 consecutive natural numbers, so adding like this one, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot dot plus 50, so it will be a difficult task for you. Time taking task, it will take more time. So better you will apply this formula like n plus 1 by 2, it will be easier for you. So sometimes your formula will be a savior for you. Fine. Right. So I think I have discussed all the theory portions. Now let's see how to approach the questions, from which what is the pattern of that question, and how to understand how to solve the question, how to approach this question. Let's see that one. Okay. If there is any confusion, you can ask. I'm just trying to help you, and I think if there is there must be some. There might be some doubt, obviously. So you can ask in the comment section. If you will ask, I will try to solve that doubt. Okay. So let's do the PYQs. So here is your question from UPSC 2024. That means very latest question it is. So it is given like weight of 6 boys is equal to weight of 7 girls is equal to weight of 3 men is equal to weight of 4 women. There is a equation is given. This equation is given like this one, and one data is given like average weight of women is equal to 63 kg. Fine. Now see, they are asking about average weight of boys. See, in average topic, I think you should approach from behind. From backward direction. Like they are asking average weight of boys. Okay. So if you write average weight, so what will be the formula? That basic formula. Like we will write sum of weight of all boys. We will write this one divided by total number of boys. Okay, this will be our basic formula. Now just look at this question. Like here it is given like 6 boys is there. So you know that we have total number of boys is equal to 6. Now we have to find that sum of weight of all boys. What is this number? Okay, this value we don't know. So we have to find this one. So what I am saying, we have to first, we have to approach from the backward direction, from behind. Okay, so we have to find sum of weight of all boys. So how to find this one? So one data is given like average weight of women in 63 kg is given. Okay, so we will use this data. How to use this one? So we will write like average weight of women. Okay, sorry, women is equal to total sum of women. How many women? 4. Okay, divided by total numbers. Total number is 4. 4 women is given here. So what is the total sum? Total sum will be average weight of women like 63 kg multiplied by 4. So we are not expanding this one. We are not multiplying, just writing 63 multiplied by 4. This much is total sum of that average weight of 4 women. Right. Now just see the equation. Like it is given like weight of 6 boys, it is equal to weight of 7 girls, it is equal to weight of 3 men, and that is equal to weight of 4 women. Like this 63 multiplied by 4, this is equal to this one. Okay, this value, this is equal to this one, or this one, and this one. Okay, so we can equate in all 4. All 4 weights we can equate with this weight. Okay, but our required value is this one, weight of 6 boys. So this value will be weight of 6 boys too. This value is weight of 7 girls also, weight of 3 men also, and weight of 4 women is we have solved this right now. So in place of this one, sum of weight of all boys, we can write this one like 63 multiplied by 4, and by which number we will divide this value? Total number of boys. So what is the total number of boys? That is 6. So we will divide by 6. Just divide it. by 2 we are dividing, by 2 it is divided, it will be 3, then by 3 it will be 1, it will be 21. So our value will be 42. So 42 kg will be average weight of that voice. Is it clear? You understood how we are approaching this one? Just approach from the behind, from backward direction. Is it clear? Okay, now let's see the next question. Okay, so this question is from UPSC 2024, but this is a statement based question. Let's see the question. It is given like average marks of a class is given like 60. Okay, then we have to find like what is the total number of that class, total number of student in that class we have to find. Okay, so just see like statement 1 is given like highest number, highest marks scorer is 70 and lowest marks scorer is 50. Okay, just consider like this is 70 marks and this is lowest is 50 marks. Now this is the marks of middle students. Now how many students it is unknown. Okay, now for statement 2 it is said that if you exclude the highest marks person, I mean that is student, and the lowest person, then the average value won't be changed. Okay, now tell me this statement like statement 1 or 2 will be helpful to solve this question. It is not asking to solve that question. You understood this one? It is asking that it is I mean, are we able to solve the question with the help of these statements? Is these statements are helpful for you while solving this question? Just see. For statement 2, if I say you don't know how many people are there, okay, and you just know like average marks is 60. Fine, it is clear that if you add this one it will be 120. So average marks of first, I mean topper, and the lower scorer is 60. That's fine. But for middle values it is unknown. Okay, so if you exclude the highest marks and lowest marks, we can't say that average value won't change. How can we say that one? One second, I think yes, I was little wrong here. Like if you remove that highest scorer and the lowest scorer, like average value will be 60. Okay, that's fine. Then the average will not change. That's right. But we have to find the total number of students. So can you say that what is the total number of students? It can be any number. Is it clear? This statement is right. That's fine. Exclusion of highest and lowest won't change the average. That's right. But we cannot say that what is the total number of students from this statement. Okay. And if you see the statement number 1, it is given like highest marks is 70 and lowest marks is 50. So can you say that what is the total number of students? There is no other information about that one. Okay. So it is not possible to know the total number of students with these statements. Okay, so our answer will be D, that is the question cannot be answered even by using both the statement together. So if you are solving this question, you should, I think you should I mean keep your question paper in front of your table, I mean in front of you while solving this question, so it will be helpful for you. Okay, let's see the next question. This question is very basic from UPSC 2024, same year. So it is given that like it is a statement based question. It is given like a person buy 3 article PQR for 50 rupee. Okay, that Q article Q price is 16 and that is least. Okay, among PQR, Q has the least price, that is 16 rupee. Then we have to find the price of P. What is the price of P? So first what we have to do, we have to just find like what is the price of combined price of P and R. So we will write like P plus R, that will be 50 minus 16. Why 16? Because 16 was the price of Q. Clear? So it will be how much? 34. Is it clear? So P plus R is given like 34. Now based on the statements 1 and 2, we will see like cost of P is not more than R. Like cost of P should not be more than R. That means R should be more than P. Okay, just write any value. Like if you do half of this 34, that will be 17. Half of this value will be 17. If you write one value larger and one value smaller, so it should be, I mean one condition should be 15 and 18. One second, 18, no, 16 and 18. Okay, so this will be our condition, like one value like P will be 16 and this will be 18. But based on our question, it is what it was given, like Q has the least price, that is 16. So P should not be 16 value, and less than 16 is not possible. Is it clear? Because P is the, I mean 16 is the least value and that is for Q. So it should be more than 16. Is it clear? So this value will not be possible. Okay, and less than 16 is not possible. We have to write more than 16. So if you write more than 16, the only value possible is 17 and 17. For P and for R, the value should be 17 and 17. So first you see the statement 1, cost of P is not more than R. So it is not saying it should not be equal to R. It is given like not more than R. So our inequality is wrong here. We should write here it should be less than equal to R. Not more than means it should be less than equal to R. It can be equal, but it should not be more than R. Okay, P should not be more than R, but it can be equal to R. Okay, so this is our one possibility. With the help of, like we can write P is equal to R. This value is possible with this one, P is equal to R. Now see the statement 2, cost of R is not more than P. Same equation, cost of R, it should not be more than P. So we will write less than equal to P. Again we will see like R is equal to P. This is the only condition which will be followed here. So value will be 17 and 17. Okay, so are you getting my point? So what will be the answer? If you see to I mean one answer is given, one option is given, like we got the answer. Is it clear? We got the answer, that is 17 and 17. Now there is a two options, like option number A and option number okay, there will be three options, like option number A, B, C. In all three options it is given like question can be answered. Okay, now see the question number A, I mean option number A, like question can be answered by using one of the statement alone. Are you getting answer with help of any one of statement, either one or two? No, we are not getting with the help of any one individual. I mean if I say we are getting from only one individual statement, it will be wrong. Why? Because our both equation are equally valued here. Okay, they both are equal. That's why we can't say that one equation is helping us in answering this question and one equation is not helping us. So I mean option A will be wrong. Option B, it is given like question can be answered by using either statement alone. Okay, but in inequalities, if you see in both statements there is inequality. So while solving this one, while solving, like we have to find a unique conclusion, like R should be is equal to P. We have to follow both equations, both statements, like statement 1 and statement 2. That's why our option should be the question can be answered by using both the statement together, but cannot be answered using either statement alone. Okay, is it clear? So how we are solving this one? You understood this one? Any doubt? Okay, now move forward. Okay, this question is from UPSC 2023. I found only one question from this year, like 2023. So it was given like a statement with question it is, and it was given like 5 children with ages A is less than B is less than C, okay, is less than D is less than E. This relation is given and the difference was 2 years. Okay, now the question was, what is the age of the youngest child? Okay, we have to find this one. Now first relation, that is statement 1, was given like age of eldest, that is equal to 3 times multiplied by youngest, and second statement is given like average age of all children, that is equal to 8 years. Okay, I think before moving to from the this statement like a statement 1 or 2, we should write this statement clearly, like A is less than B is less than C less than D less than A, and the difference is 2 years. Is it clear? So can we write like this is, I mean, B is more than 2 years with respect to A, so we can say plus 2, here is plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so we can say like B is equal to A plus 2. Okay, C is equal to obviously B plus 2 we can write, so B is equal to A plus 2, so we can write A plus 2 plus 2, that will be A plus 4. Similar way, D is equal to A plus how much? 6. Yes, 6. E is equal to A plus 8. Okay, in terms of A we have written here. Now we can apply any statement. We can start from any statement, like statement 1 we are solving, we are following statement 1, like age of eldest, like this one is equal to 3 times youngest, this one A. Okay, so we will write A plus 8, that is equal to 3 times of youngest is A. So it is simple to solve this one. Take this A to right side, so 3A minus A, that is equal to 4, sorry not 4, it is 8, so 2A is equal to 8, so A is equal to 4. Is it clear? So we get the answer like age of youngest is 4 years. Is it clear? Now we should see the statement 2 also, because we have to check both statements. I know we got the answer, but as per the statements we have to check both statements. The statement 2, let's check this one, like average age of children is 8 years. So what will be the average? Average means, just now we have learned like sum by total number. So sum is what? A plus 2 plus A plus 4 plus A plus 6 plus A plus 8 divided by how many numbers are there? A, B, C, D, E. That means total 8, or I'm sorry, not 8, 5. 5 children are there. So we have to divide by 5. So what is the, I mean, okay, average age of children is given like 8 years. So we can write average is equal to 8 years. Okay, and how many A are there? A 1 2 3 4 5 5 A is there, so 5A, and just add other numbers. So 2 plus 4, that is 6, 6 plus 6, that is 12, 12 plus 8, that is 20, divided by 5. So you can see like 5 is common here, 5, it will be A plus 4, and here is 5 will be cancelled out. Now we have 8 is equal to A plus 4, so A is equal to 8 minus 4, that is 4. So we got the answer again with the help of statement 2. That means in both through the both statements, like statement 1 and 2, we are getting the answer. So the answer will be which one? That B option. Like it is given, that question can be answered by using either statement alone. We can use any statement, either statement 1 or 2, your choice. We can get the answer with the help of either statements, right? So B will be our option. Now let's check from the UPSC 2022 paper. If you see the questions which we are solving, like how we are approaching the question and what is the pattern, if you see that one. So I mean, my idea of approaching the question is, first you have to look at the equation. Whatever the information is given here, I mean that question, just point out that one, underline that one, and approach from the, I mean from your questions from behind. Okay, so you will get like what we have to find here in this question, what is required, we have to focus on that area. Okay, like what is average? Average is equal to what I have written here, average is equal to sum divided by number, total number. So we have to apply this one. I mean three requirements are there, like average, sum and total number. If 2 is given, like average and sum is given, we have to find the number. Any 2 will be given. Like if it is not given, there is some idea, there must be some idea should be given. Like in this question, it is about the relation of A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so we have to see that one, like what is given that question. If there is a relation, just point out that one. If there is no relation, there must be some equation, right? Mathematical relation must be there. Just look at that one, and just look at, I mean from the question, what is the requirement, just see that what is the question they are asking, and that from that point you will get that what we are, I mean which value we are required here, what we have to find here. Okay, so now in UPSC 2022 paper, just see one question was there, like average weight of some question was there, so just try that one. So this was our question from UPSC 2022. Like average weight of A, B, C is given like 40 kg. Average weight of B, D, E was given like 42 kg, and weight of F was weight of B, that is equal to weight of B. Now we have to find the average weight of A, B, C, D, E, F. All 6 person we have to find the average weight, right? So what we have to, I have told you right now, whenever the question is given, just see that one. We have required this one, like what is the average of A, B, C, D, E, F. So what we will write here, the formula, like sum of all ages, sum of all, not ages, sorry, sum of all weight divided by total number of observation. Okay, so total number will be A, B, C, D, E, F, that is total number is 6. There are 6 person, so it will be 6. We know what is the value of total numbers. Now we have to see like what is the sum of all weights. Okay, here it is given like A, B, C, that is 40 kg, B, D, E, that is given 42 kg. So just look at that one, like average weight of A, B, C, average of A, B, C, that is given as 40, and formula is sum of what, A plus B plus C, that means A plus B C plus C, that is equal to, or you can simply write A plus B plus C, that is equal to and 40, I'm sorry, divided by 3, because 3 person are there, A, B, C, that's why we have divided by 3. So what is the value of A plus B plus C? That will be 3 multiplied by 40, and that will be 120 kg. Okay, this is the value of A plus B plus C. But what we are required here, we have required A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. So we got to know that what is the value of A plus B plus C. Now we have to find D, E, F. Okay, now look at the second relation, like B, D and E. Can we write here average of B, D, E, that is equal to 42 kg, and here we will write B plus D plus E divided by how much, by 3. But there is one more relation, like weight of F is equal to weight of B. So can we replace this B is equal to F? So here we will write D plus E plus F. Any issue here, any problem? No. So by 3. So what is the value of this average, I mean this sum, D plus E plus F? That sum will be 42 multiplied by 3, and that will be here 126 kg. So we got to know what is the value of DEF. We already know what is the value of A plus B and B plus C. So can we write this one? If you combine this both values 120 and 126, we will get this one, and we know what is the value of total number, like A plus B, A, B, C, D, E, F. total number will be 6, observation will be 6. So here answer will be 120 plus 126 and divided by 6, that will be how much? 246 divided by 6, and that will be 41. So 41 kg will be our average weight of all person, like A, B, C, D, E, F, all 6 persons, that is 41 kg. So is it clear? So option was given like 40.5 kg, 40.8 kg, 41, and one more option was there like cannot be determined as data is inadequate. So sometimes people think like they are not able to solve this one, they just think that it is there is inadequate data, so we cannot solve this one. So I think I must say that you should try first. Okay, questions are easy, but you should try. If you are not trying, so it is not you cannot be able to solve that question. So first try this one, it will be more easier for you. So you understood what is the pattern, how question are asking there. Like in a statement based question, they are not asking the question, they are not asking the answer, they are just asking that whether you are able to solve that question or not with the help of those statements. If you are able to solve those questions with the help of statements, given a statement, then that's fine, or based on that we have to choose the options. Okay, and if you see the questions, I think in average topic, maximum questions are just direct. You should not worry about any logic or anything, just apply the formula and just work on the approach what I have taught you. Like go from the backward direction, just write what is the requirement and work on the relation, mathematical relation, what is given, just point out that one and just solve it. Okay, so I will suggest that first try yourself. Whatever question is given, just try yourself first, then look at my solution, what I am how I am solving this one. Okay, so then it will be beneficial for you. Let's see the next question. Okay, look at this question. Like there is a table given, like average marks in English was given like 9 and 8 for girls and boys. Obviously girls is performing here better, and average marks in Hindi, that is 8 and 7, again same. Okay, now it is given like overall the average marks was given for English, that is 8.8, and we have to find the average marks in Hindi. Okay, so how to approach this one? Like it is not given like what is the total number of girls, it is not given. What is the total number of boys, it is not given. So we have to solve the question without that information. So try it. So okay, let me give you the options. Like options are 7.8, 7.6, 7.4 and 7.2. okay, so how I am approaching right now, so here we have to consider the value of that number. What is the number of girls, that is G for girl and B for boys. Okay, so we know the overall average is given, okay, like 8.8, and we have to find here this value of X, that average value we have to find. So if we write the average value, okay, for this one, if you write the average value, so what we will write here, sum of all marks scored, okay, and divided by total number of students, obviously total students. So just think what we have to write. Like if I say there are 9 toffees are there, okay, 9 chocolates are there, and one chocolate price is 9 rupee. Okay, so what is the total price? Total price we have to pay, so we will multiply the 9 total number of chocolates multiplied by that price. Okay, same here, it will be like sum of all marks for girls, that will be 9 multiplied by G, and similarly for boys it will be 8 multiplied by B, and that is divided by total number of students will be G plus B. Obviously girls plus boys, that will be total number of students, and that average is given like 8.8. Now we know how to cross multiply this one. I have already told you that what is the cross multiplication method. Just multiply this one and just multiply this one. Here is 1. If nothing is there, there is 1. Okay, so it will be 8.8 multiplied by G plus B, and this is distributive means this 8 plus 8.8 will be multiplied by G and again by B. Okay, and sign will be same, and here is 9G plus, this is not 86, 8B. Okay, fine. Now it is like 8.8G plus 8.8B is equal to 9G plus 8B. Okay, now we have to take the smaller value to the, to the side, to the larger value. Like this is 8.8G, this is 9G, so this is a larger value, so we have to take this value to this side. Okay, so we will write here like 9G minus 8.8G, and here for this one it is 8.8B minus 8B. So finally we will have like 0.2G is equal to how much? 0.8B. So we can divide this one. If you want to write the ratio, like what is the ratio of G and B, so if you divide by G by B, it will be 0.8 divided by 0.2. So we will have finally 4 by 1. So what is the ratio of girl and boy in that class? That is 4 by 1. You got this one? Okay. So now we have to, we have to solve the another thing. Like for this condition we have to solve. So just look at this one. So now what we will do like 8 multiplied by G, like 8G plus 7B, and divided by what is G plus B. This is our value of X. Whatever we will get here, that is value of X, that is average value. Now can we write an equation from this one? Like if you cross multiply this one, like G multiplied by 1 is equal to B multiplied by 4, that is we will have G is equal to 4B. This equation we will have. So we can substitute this equation in this equation. Like in place of G we can write 4B. Okay, so in place of G we can write 4B plus 7B. Here is 4B plus B. So finally we will have 32B plus 7B divided by 5B. So here is 32 plus 7, that is 39B by 5B. B will be cancelled out. So we will have 59 by 7. 39 by 39 by 5. So 39 by 5 means 7.8. So this is our average value of that Hindi subject, Hindi marks. Okay, so value of X will be 7.8. So now tell me, this question, this solution was difficult or easy? What we have done here is, there is, I know there is some few calculation is there, but what we have followed here is simple matters, simple equations are there. If you try to solve this one, it will take hardly 2 minutes, not more than that one. Okay, I was explaining, that's why it took more than 2 minutes, let's say 3 minutes I have taken. But if you try to solve this one in examination, it will not take more than 2 minutes, hardly 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes maximum. Okay, so what we have done here is, we have just written the formula. Okay, we have just written the formula here, and based on that one we have formed equation and just solved that equation and got a relation of G and B, and based on that relation we have solved the another, we have formed another equation and we have solved that value of X. So is it clear how we are approaching the questions? Now can you approach the questions, other questions? See, if you are solving any PYQs, I will suggest, like, don't solve like don't solve that question blindly without understanding that question. Please don't solve that question. It will be waste of time. if you are solving that question, you have to understand the concept behind that question. Okay, you have to understand what is they asking. If you understand that one, you can solve any type of average question from upcoming examination. Okay, now just see one more question and we will end this session very soon. So this question is for cricket lovers. Now look at the question. Question was given like average score of a batsman after his 50th inning was 46.4. Average score was given after 50th inning, that is 46.4. After 60th inning, average increased by 2.6 run. Now see what we have given here. Question was given like average increased by 2.6. That means obviously in last 10 innings that average value should be greater than this value, this average value 46.4. okay, so it is just like what is the average score of last 10 innings. So obviously that last 10 innings average value should be more than 46.4. okay, and all options are greater than 46.4, so we can't eliminate anything. So just try this one. Okay, so whatever information here is given, like we have to find this one, like we have to find average score of 10, last 10. You can write here last 10 we have to find. So what we will write here, sum of 10, sum of last 10 innings we have to write, and we have to divide by last 10 number, like we have to divide by 10. So we know that this value we know, and we have to find this one. Okay, then we will get this value. So one thing is given like average score after 50th inning was given like 46.4. So can we write average for 50, that is given as okay, here is sum of 50th and divided by 50. So we know this value like 46.4, and we know this value, so we will write 46.4 is equal to sum of 50. I'm writing in the short form like sum of 50 divided by 50. So sum of 50 will be, sum of 50th will be 46.4 multiplied by 50. So it will be like how much? 2320. This is our sum of 50th innings. Okay, now it is said that after 60th inning the average increased by 2.6. like average increased by 2.6 means what? Earlier the average was given like 46.6. now it is increased by 2.6, means we have to add 2.6 here. okay, so 4.6 46.4, and here is 2.6, it will be like 49. So new average will be 49 for 60th innings. okay, so we can write here directly. I'm writing like we will follow the same formula here, but for 60 inning, so we will write here sum of 60th inning will be, what is the average value? 49 multiplied by 60, and that will be like 0. This will be 4 carry 5, 24 and 5 29. So average will be 2940. Total sum of 60 inning is 2940, and for 50 inning is 2320. That means in last 10 innings, what is the value of runs? So for last 10 innings, run will be what? 2940 minus 2320, right? So it will be 0, 2, and here is 620 runs will be there. okay, so what is the average value for the last 10 innings? Average value will be, we got the sum, we know the number, now we can substitute here like 620 divided by 10, that will be 62. So 62 will be our answer. So what we have done here, we have just written the average, whatever the given data is there, First, we have written the what is our requirement as per the question. Our requirement was average value of last 10 innings, that is sum of last 10 innings and divided by 10. So we have to find this value. Okay, sum of last 10 innings. So now we have to work based on that given information, like average of 50, that is it is given, like then we got the value of sum of 50 inning. Now next was given like for 60 inning it was given like it is increased by 2.6. Now we got the value of average of 50 innings, sorry 60 innings, that is 49. So we got the sum of 60 innings, and based on this one we got the last 10 innings run, that is 620. And then our answer, I am leaving 1 2 questions, like I actually solved those questions in the previous sessions. So if you want to see that one, so you can check that videos too. See, once again I am saying, what is the method of solving the questions? In average, what should be our approach? Our approach should be just write the formula. Just one formula is there. In average, just one formula is there. Just write that formula, like average is equal to sum divided by total number. That is the formula. And then just look at the given information. What is the whatever the relation is given, whatever the data is given, just look at that those informations. And based on that one, you will get your required values. Okay. So try it yourself. When you try, you will able to solve those questions. And trust me, when you are able to solve those questions in your first attempt or second attempt, you will feel very happy. So I would suggest that whatever questions we have discussed, just go through them, try to solve them by yourself. And if there is any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Your comments are always welcomed. Okay, so we will meet in the next session with a new topic. I will see which topics will be there. So we will meet there in the, I mean, which day? Tuesday. So be ready for the next session, and revise CSAT topics as well. Till then, have a good day, prepare well, and Jai Hind.